So in today's video, as you guys have already seen by the title, we're going to be revamping these kinky curly hair. They're just bundles that were sent to me by a client. So in the end, I'm actually supposed to make a wig out of these bundles. So as you can see, guys, the hair is really dry. It is really tangled. I'm sure you can't really see the tangles on camera, but like it was really tangled, and it was really dirty as well. So I'm just gonna take you through the process of washing this hair, conditioning it, detangling it, and just basically like bringing the life back into this hair, you know what I'm saying? So right now I'm just gonna like pour water into my tub. You can use a bowl or whatever you can use, but like I'm using this sink in this video. So right now what I'm basically doing is just making sure I immerse the hair in the water, just making sure like the hair is wet before I put any product. Right now I just went in with my conditioner, the olive oil conditioner, and the bottle that was almost done, so just making sure I use up everything, you know what I'm saying? Don't waste those products, y'all. They're expensive as hell. So after this whole process, what I like to do is to go in with my hair mayonnaise. So this product is really good. I love it because it removes the odor in the hair, and it also further conditions the hair. But what it mainly does is to remove the odor, and it gets the job done. And then for the final process, all you have to do is to like put in hot water or lukewarm water in the bowl or in the tub, and then let the conditioner sit in there. After that, you're gonna detangle the hair and dip it out. It should look like this, and then you repeat the cycle. So here was the second batch of bundles. I'd already like put the conditioner and so like dipping in and out the hair just to remove the dirt, as you can see. So because the water that we just drained was still very dirty, so you'd like to put in clean water once again, and then just rinse the hair again in the water, and then just put in again conditioner, repeat the same process until the water is clear. As you can see now, the water is no longer that as much dirty as it was before, so you continue doing that until you're satisfied. So after that, you're just going to put the hair in a plastic and let it condition. So these bundles had already conditioned for some time, and now it's time to detangle. So you're just gonna use a brush similar to the one I'm using in this video, but if you don't have this kind of brush, you can use a wide tooth comb. It can also work, but maybe it might take you much longer time than using this brush. So I highly recommend you find a brush like this, and then you just start detangling from top to bottom. So as you can see, it's now pretty easy to detangle the hair because the hair is well conditioned and the tangles are loosened up. So you'll find like this process will be very easy, but you want to make sure you're detangling all the parts of the hair. Do not skip a part. Just make sure that all the hair is detangled and is perfect. So now I then went ahead to dip the hair in a bowl, and the reason why I used a bowl is because I want the conditioner to also still sit in the hair. Like I did not use running water to rinse this hair because running water will just wash away completely all the product. But now I'm using a bowl, like you are rinsing, removing the excess conditioner, but also at the same time some conditioner is going to remain on the hair, and you're just going to let the hair air dry until you are satisfied. So this is the wig that I made from the bundles, you guys. I think it came out really nice, and the client was really satisfied. The hair was like still wet because I was trying to style it, which I did in another video that's gonna come up soon. Thank you guys so much for watching.